Okay, so today we are at the range with the Kel-Tec P-32 and 32 ACP, and it is a 6+1 shot, and I have targets set up at 7.5 yards, and what I have brought is because ammo is so hard to get a hold of right now. So what I did was I brought 6 rounds of Remington yellow and green box, and then we're going to shoot 6 rounds of green and white box Remington. I want to just see if there's any difference, and we want to see about this little gun. I think it's 10 ounces. I'm going to do a more in-depth review later and post it. Right now we're just going to do one at the range, and we're just going to see if we can hit anything with it. Alright, so I'm going to load it up. I'm going to kind of let you take in the views here for a minute while I get the shells in it. I did not load it up prior to coming to the gun range. So I've got 2 targets, and I'll shoot the yellow and green box on the left, and we will shoot the green and white box on the right. Oh. Kel-Tec makes a lot of different guns, and I really like their lightweight designs. So this is a great pocket gun because it doesn't weigh much, and with a lot of the newer ammo, Lehigh Defense makes a great little self-defense round. So, all right, let me get some ears on here, and we'll see what we can do with those. I'm just hoping I can hit the target. All right, so we're going to shoot the green and yellow box first, and then we'll do the green and white box second. Alright, now we're going to switch to the right target, and we're going to shoot green and white box. Let's see how we do with it. Well, I can definitely tell you from here, I can see that we did shoot the green and yellow box a little better. As you can see, it does have last shell hold open. There's no safety, but I think it has a 5-pound trigger pull. It's all polymer. Nice little pistol, and let me take the mag out of it now. You can see the hammer back here as it goes back, so it does have a hammer. It's not a striker fire. So let's see what we did do. Alright, so out of I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I guess that's not too bad. Well, the green and white box we didn't do too well. I got 1 here, 1 here, 3 here, and 2 here. I actually did the 7 on that one. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so there is 7. So we did do 7. We're going to take those targets down. And let me go back up and let's just double check how many we can actually get into this. So I'll turn this around. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that one hit the floor. 7. Okay, so I can actually get 7 in there. Yeah. So it's going to be a 7 plus 1, so you're going to have 8 total for a nice little compact gun. Check back later on my YouTube, and I'm going to do an in-house, and I'm going to show you a few options that you can do with these guns to kind of customize them to your own needs. Alright, that's it for today.